Well, we will continue getting you those updates here. This is, of course, something that is going to be the top story now through the day, through the remainder of the evening, because developments are still coming in. There's a lot more expected to happen here. But meanwhile, let's get you other news. Let's get you what's happened in the Delhi High Court today. This is regarding the Northeast Delhi riots. The Delhi High Court here has said that the Northeast Delhi riots of last year were indeed pre-planned, premeditated conspiracy to disturb law and order in the city, and that the events did not take place on the spur of the moment. The court has made these observations here while denying bail to an accused in one of the cases. The court here says it further adds that there was a systematic disconnection, the destruction of CCTV cameras near the places of incidents of violence that took place, which corroborates that this was premeditated. Delhi High Court here also, the video footage, other video footage that is available around here shows that it was a calculated attempt to disturb the functioning of the government as well as to disrupt normal life of the people in the city. We'll get you further details here on this in just a bit here. But these are strong words. They're coming in from the Delhi High Court. Remember, investigations to which that have been on, the Delhi police has been wrapped on its knuckles several times before in other cases connected to the Delhi riots here. But here's what the Delhi High Court has stated today, saying that it has now clearly established, it has understood here that this was pre-planned and this was a premeditated conspiracy. We have with us our correspondent Nilashish, who's getting us further inputs here on this. Nilashish, what does this mean for the case per se now, with the Delhi High Court making these nature of observations?
Well, yes, it does have severe implications given the fact that in various other cases related to the Delhi riots that are being heard on across various fora, people would be citing this and talking about the prosecution, to be more specific, would be talking about these observations of the High Court and would seek denial of bail in various other cases that are ongoing. However, it must be noted that this is a case-specific observation, especially because it is a bail-related matter. And there would be implications in cases that are similar to this, but primarily to do with bail. Of course, the High Court, given the particular evidence in this case of Mohammed Imran, have stated that if the evidence, the proof, the video footage is such that it can be seen that there are people moving towards the police with sticks and bats and other weapons, and there is a disruption of society. There seems to be a premeditated, calculated effort to systematically disconnect the CCTVs that were present there, and also an attempt to disrupt public order in terms of the normal life in the city. So now this is based on the fact that there is certain video footage that was available here. The court also went on to say that the personal liberty of someone is something that they take very seriously, but you cannot misuse your personal liberty to hurt other people, to create a menace in society. So in such situations like there will definitely be citation of this particular case in other cases. But then again, we have seen how the police's investigation has been hauled up on various other in various other cases as well. So that will have to also be seen as to whether or not there is evidence in other cases to take from this particular case where there was certain evidence.
Okay. Right, whether or not other evidence also indicates that this was premeditated. Remember, there are several cases pertaining to the Delhi riots case here. Nilashish, thank you for getting us those updates.